In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a quotation on Alibaba. Whether you're a small business owner looking to expand your supply chain or simply someone looking to procure materials, understanding how to efficiently request a quotation can be a game changer. So let's dive right in and simplify the process of getting quotes from suppliers on Alibaba. First, head over to Alibaba's main page by opening your preferred web browser and typing in alibaba.com. Once the site has loaded, you're greeted by an expansive array of products and industries. Alibaba is one of the world's largest B2B marketplaces, so you can find almost anything you need for your business here. Now, you'll want to find and click on Request for Quotation, usually located at the top of the homepage. This section is specifically designed to help users request pricing and supply details swiftly. It's a convenient starting point for connecting with multiple suppliers at once without having to contact each one individually. In the Request for Quotation interface, you'll notice a box where you can describe your needs. Be as specific as possible in your description to ensure you receive accurate quotes that meet your requirements. You can also upload a photo or file to give suppliers a clear idea of what you're looking for, including detailed dimensions, quality specifications, or any other relevant information can significantly aid suppliers in crafting an accurate quote. Alternatively, if you prefer to search for a particular item directly, use Alibaba's robust search functionality. Once you find a product listing that interests you, click on Get Quotes Now. This option is ideal for when you have a specific product in mind and you want to receive quotes from suppliers who offer it. From either the request form or direct product search, you can adjust the description of what you specifically need. Fine-tuning details at this stage is crucial. If you need a specific material, color, or any particular feature, now is the time to make those requirements clear to potential suppliers. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of requesting a quote on Alibaba. It's a straightforward method with a big payoff, granting you access to potentially better prices and supplier options. As you wait for quotes to come in, remember to compare them thoughtfully, considering factors such as minimum order quantities, shipping times, and payment terms alongside the pricing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for your procurement needs on Alibaba. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher, and good luck with finding the right suppliers for your business.